आमी गितेश म्हूण आमगेलो जो कॅन्डिडेट मुखार हाडटा, हू इज पार्ट ऑफ दी भंडारी समाज, हू इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दी रवी नायक केडर इनसायड, प्रॉपर BJP केडर, रवी नायक केडर, आनी ताका आमी जेन्ना हाडटा तो कन्विन्स जाता. So it is a clear picture that we want to make sure that we enter the BJP bastion and we try to break into the BJP and convince the people who are there that the BJP and the MGP आणि vote जरी तरी फोडपा पळयलें जाल्यार we are only attempting to enter and grow our vote base from the BJP segment by entering their hub. We have entered their hub with Gitesh. Giteshan पांय मद दवरलो सारको. Not anywhere else. Aam Aadmi Party is always been given that stepmotherly treatment right from beginning. I'm saying I'm 10 years with the party. Party एक तो दर्जो मेळपा जाय म्हूण हांव आज हुंय गेलो ना, हांव BJP जॉइन जालो ना. आय एम सिन्सियरली स्ट्रगलिंग. हांवें एक शेत कन्वर्ट केलो ना, एक दोंगर कन्वर्ट केलो ना, एक इलिगल फायल 39A व्हरोन विश्वजिता कडेन दिलो ना, एक इलिगल वस्त कोणा गेली हांवें मुखार काडलो ना. वाय तो पार्टी दर्जो दिवपा जाय म्हूण गोंयांत आमकां जरी तरी पयलो उलो मारलो. आम सांगता आशिल्ले जे भाशेन तुमगे विर्यातून सांगलां, MPन सांगलां की केडरा बी दिवपा जाय. आमी घडये तेच लायन घेता आशिल्ले, दिया म्हूण केडरा दिया. आमी वी आर ऑल्सो सपोर्टिंग, लेट अस गो हेड एंड लेट अस गेट हिम अ विक्ट्री दीस. सो ती लायनी घेवपा जाता आशिल्ली. बट उलो मारना तूं. You do not want, you want to just boycott things. As a national party, the bigger party is the Congress. They have to decide. As a new party who is 12 years old, we can only say that we have shown our support time to time. MP election, assembly.
उलोच मानना तुम्ही ओ म्हणपा तयार आहात, तुमकां उलोच मानना म्हणटा तुम्ही.
This is what we see from the political party, because 18th मार्चाचे जो तो स्टेटमेंट येता, that means उलो मारना न्ही, आमकांय मारना, RGPकूय मारना. It was a commitment that it will happen in the assembly. आणि assembly जावन we would have even gone to each ruling MLAs over there and said this is 39A. You want it or no? And we could have spoken that this guy said yes, this guy said no, this guy is quiet. We could have done this exercise also. Plan of action will be coming out after the 9th of April once the elections are done. We are all going to sit down. We are going to sit down with the RGP. We are going to sit down with everyone. And yes, we have to come up with a plan, because I think waiting for the courts, is not the solution. We cannot allow Goa to get destroyed like this. We will have to get people and mobilize people, and people will have to take control over the things, because finally it's the same people who are voting them.